In this video, I'll show you how to set your minimum nights on Booking.com. Alright, so here on the startup screen of Booking.com, you'll obviously first choose your area and you'll also be able to choose your room and how many adults. But what we want to focus on is the section over here without dates. So all we need to do is we can use these quick options over here. But what I like to do is just click on your start date. So let's say the 16th, and then click on your end date. So let's say the 20th. And then it'll set it up for you. So here you'll see it's set for 4 nights. Just hit select dates. And now we need to check availability. So let's hit search. Pick the place that you want to stay at. So let's say Sandton Times Square. And then we can scroll down to see a little bit more information on the place. But what we want to do is see availability. And this will show us what rooms they have available. And all you need to do is click on one of these rooms and reserve them. And that's how you set your minimum nights on Booking.com. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.